Take a ride in the 2017 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, remote vehicle start, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels. Your new ride is just a phone call away.